Picture ko kami siya, no?
Hindi, picturean mo siya.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Magbibigay ng bigas si Sir.
There you go, our pandemic hero and the most inspiring Filipino philanthropist. Thank you very much, sir. Ayan na po, dumapo na po ang Agila sa probinsya ng Isabela. Dito mismo sa Masonic Lodge number 307, Nagilian, Isabela. Good morning, sir. At hindi ko na po papatagalin pa. Pakinggan na po natin ang kaniyang mensahe. Dr. Francis Leo Marcos, Doctor of Humanities and Doctor of Philosophy. Sir.
Grabe ah. Ano ba to? Parang hindi kasya dito ah. Hello. I am overwhelmed by the warm welcome that you have extended to me. First of all, let me recognize the people here. Ma'am Kiliti Kakabatingan, and of course, the San Mariano Masonic Lodge, all the member of the San Mariano Masonic Lodge whom initiate this humanitarian activity. Guys, thank you. Without you, this activity will not be happen. Because of your sincere initiative, kaya nandito ako ngayon. Of course, my friend, hindi ko makita. Lieutenant Colonel Tulin. Masyado kang malakas sa akin, okay nana. Nag-request ka ng alas 9, 9:30, ginrun ko yung request mo. Naimbag gabigat kada kayo amin. Kakapsat ko kay Ilocano. May bagak ti bagbagi nga syakit naggapo dito eh. Agyaman na kiniapo Diyos, kinagyaman tayo kadagiti nga tattao nga dati nga nag-initiate da tapno maipaay kanyayo dito nga activity. And I'm proud for these guys who've been extending all their effort just to serve you. Palakpakan po natin yung San Mariano Masonic Lodge. Of course, let me recognize the doctors, the technical staff, who's there, undying service for their fellow men. Ay hindi na pwedeng questionin pa. As I have said in so many speeches, helping our countrymen is not an easy task. But if every generous heart will pitch to this endeavor, no matter how great the mission is, it will surely be achieved. Gusto kong i-recognize kayong lahat. Wala kayo, hindi tumatutuloy. Huwag po ako ang pasalamatan ninyo. Ang pasalamatan po ninyo ay ang mga taong ito, especially yung mga kuyang dito, yung mga daddy at mami ko, na nag-initiate ng activity na to para matulungan kayong mga tao na walang capacity na magpunta sa optical clinic o bumili ng kanilang wheelchair. To all the members, the police, the doctors, technical support, technical staff, hindi ko na mababanggit yung pangalan nyo, distinguished guests, my friend, magandang umaga. Of course, to all my supporters, I know I have many supporters here. To all my supporters who supported me through the years, especially the previous election, we might not be able to achieve victory, but the 5 million vote who supported my bid is enough to consider myself as a winner, not only in politics, but a champion in the heart of those 5 million men. However, deep in my heart, I really don't want to be a politician because that is not my business and that is not my forte. I just wanted to help everyone as much as possible, not only the Ilocanos, but the whole Filipinos in different race, creed, or religion with regards of colors. Everybody must help one another because Filipinos are like that. We must live by each other happiness, not by each other misery. We must not hate and despise one another. In our country, there's a place for everyone. And this beautiful world is bounty of good seeds, and I know it can provide for everyone. The road of life could be at liberty and wonderful. But I remember during my incarceration, many of our brothers and sisters have lost the way. Why? Because greediness to fame, power, and wealth have poisoned our soul. And those ambitious men barricaded the world with hate, and foolish individuals drag us into misunderstanding and misery. The world has evolved. We have developed so much technology, but we almost lost humanity. Our knowledge has made us cynical. Our cleverness made us skeptical. We strive for the best, but sometimes, and many of us, we feel too less for our less fortunate people of the society. We need humanity more than technology. We need kindness and gentleness better than cleverness, because the absence of these qualities in the heart of man, life will be savage and all will be lost. You know, I'm just an ordinary man who tried to awaken the hero inherent to every man, because I believe that we are all heroes. Daddy, we are the heroes that has the power to create happiness. The hero that has the power to make this life beautiful and wonderful. And in the name of liberty and democracy, and of course in the name of humanity, let us use the heroism within us to create a decent world that can give all of us equal right and equal opportunity. A world that can provide a better future to our children and a security to a safer community. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay po kayo, and let the humanitarian in Isabela begin at San Mariano Masonic Lodge. Magandang araw po.